consciousness, intelligence, if you understand, your awareness gives rise to consciousness, technically speaking. What is consciousness? Your ability to process information, your ability to be aware of information, your ability to process information, and your ability to apply that information, all three put together will create a consciousness. All this is possible through intelligence. So intelligence, if you observe, is a bridge to develop this awareness into consciousness and make this I'm not saying consciousness is a product. I'm saying consciousness, awareness, and intelligence are actually not separate. They are one independent cognition or consciousness. You understand what I'm trying to say? So it's all one system. They're not separate systems brought from somewhere else. One develops into another. Am I clear with you? And the other again retrieves back into the first one. Your awareness. If you are, example, now if you are not aware of a snake crawling through you in a deep sleep, you're in deep sleep, a snake is crawling on your body and it passed away. You would even feel tingly sensation. In deep sleep, you would not even aware. But if you are aware and you see a snake far away from you, and you, even if it is branded non-poisonous, still you get scared. Your awareness placates your intelligence. There is a guy who can see a snake and say, wow, let me go catch it. And there is a guy who can see a snake and say, I'm running away. There is a guy who can see and say, oh, it's non-poisonous. Okay, then let me not be worried. Let me stay here. Yes or no? If you see, your awareness placates your intelligence. But your intelligence and your awareness are embedded in your consciousness. But your awareness keeps generating consciousness. How? For example, a child who is born. Now you keep the child aware of a certain possibility. For example, they say, rich people's children become rich naturally, poor people somehow end up poor. Why is that so? A rich father makes the child experience that making money is an easy thing. It's possible to make a lot of money. A poor father makes the child experience that making money is very difficult. And your awareness to the fact that making money is very difficult is creating an intelligence that, money is difficult idea. That's resulting in scarcity consciousness. A father who is rich will create abundance consciousness. Now this consciousness is already the child is conscious, if you understand. So this consciousness which is generated by the intelligence and awareness is further enhancing the consciousness which is predecessing it. You understand? So consciousness, awareness are not separate. Consciousness and awareness are not separate. They are integral parts of each other. And intelligence is the bridge, which is also integral to these two that help function each other. So Sanatana Dharma says this. There are no so many things. It is only one existential intelligence. One existential, for lack of words, they call it intelligence also. That is the reason Sanatana Dharma in pure Sanskrit they say Tat, Sat, Tat, nahi to Sat, nahi to Brahma. Are you understanding? So only that is there. And that functions as this. But this is that.